These are the people that are destroying our country by their sycophancy. This Honorable Madenge and this lady that has strategically refused to come to the studio, Honorable Gladys Bose-Sholei, who together with the Speaker, listen to me, look here, who together with the Speaker have handed over Parliament to become an appendage of State House. These people, when this gentleman comes here to say Honorable Mbui should come up with a motion to debate, he is the person who knows what they do in Parliament. These are the people who get bribed by this system to help this government get away with everything wrong that they do. They need to disclose that to us. This Honorable Madenge here, whom I had a lot of respect for, we sit together in the health committee. How can you know what happens in Parliament? Tell Honorable Mbui, you know what happens in Parliament. You tell him to come with a motion to deal with Honorable Kanja. These are the people that are destroying our country. I'm telling you,
Kibagendi.
I'm telling you, Honorable Sholei and the Speaker of the National Assembly are the ones who have helped destroy this country using Parliament.
You're a panelist here. I do not want to cast aspersions against you, and I do not want any person to cast aspersions against you. And now, you have to be fair to each other. No, just a moment.
Okay, now she didn't come, but now I'm telling you.
No, just wait, I had
She didn't come.
It's actually
but now I'm telling you, she's one of the people, together with the Speaker, that have aided the destruction of this country.
Okay.
How? Using Parliament to continually, expeditiously help this regime pass laws and frustrate efforts of trying to bring order in this country. The only way to deal with Kanja, and I'm telling you today, we have passed it as our team, the Linda Mwananchi. What we are going to do, because they don't listen, we are waiting for them to try and disrupt Kakamega. If they disrupt Kakamega, we go to the streets more aggressively with the youth of this country than it has ever happened before.
What does more aggressively mean?
More aggressively is more numbers into the streets across the country. We will not allow this regime to continue.
Yes.